Hello everyone, welcome back to another C++ programming tutorial. Our today's topic is pointers. So let us first know the theory of the pointer. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable as its value. Okay, so what is basically a pointer? A pointer is a variable or a data type that stores the memory address of another variable. Okay, so inside our computer or any device, the data are stored in our memory, right? So every data which is stored in the memory has a location address. So the pointer stores the address of that specific data value. So what we get to know that is a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of other variable as its value. Okay, suppose I am declaring here integer a is equal to 10. Okay, so here I have declared a is equal to 10. Now here I am declaring integer, and for declaring a variable as pointer variable, we need to use this star operator. Okay, so this star operator indicates that this data type is a pointer data type. Okay, so the value of a is 10, and now I am declaring b is equal to, in my previous lecture I have discussed about references. In references we have learnt about the address of operator. And what is the address of operator? The address of operator is used to show the address, right? So address of address of a. So I am storing address of a inside this b variable. Okay, and this entire thing is called a pointer. It's an easy concept. Okay, so what basically a pointer is? A pointer is a data type which stores the memory address of another variable. So here b is storing the address of the variable a. Okay, so now let us see what is the output here. Let us just see here. Now if I see out, okay, the address of a is space b. Okay, so let us see what gives the output. Okay, you can see it has given some address. So this address is the real time location or memory location in my computer. It can vary on your computer, but you will get something like this. Okay, so this is what basically pointer is. We have printed b, but b is storing the value of the address of a. Okay, now this can be, if you just do this thing also, like if you just see out the address of a is, if you give here a address of a, it will also give you the same output. Okay, I'm giving here end line, otherwise it will print out everything in the same line. Okay, so this two will give the same result because this address of operator also gives the address, and this pointer variable also stores the value of the a, address of the a. Okay, these two both should give the same output. You can see here the both thing has given us the same output. Okay, so this was the basic concept of pointer variable. So what we have learnt is that the pointer variable stores the memory address of other variable. Means is the data type of pointer variable is a specific sort of data type which stores the value of other variable as its value. Okay, so we can also see that in a specific pointer we can also derive the value from that pointer. Like inside we can derive the value of the pointer b, what value is inserted inside this b. Okay, we can also derive that inside b, what is the value, specific value of what. Inside a, our value, we are storing the address of a, right? So in the address of a, what is the value? 10. So what is how can we derive that using our pointer? We are going to see that here. Okay, I will just give here end line and go to the next line. Okay, so now for doing that we should use the dereferencing operator. So what is the dereferencing operator? This one we are okay. Let me write it here. The value at address A is okay star B. Okay, so this star is called as the dereferencing operator. Okay, so by this thing or this dereferencing operator or the value of by this using the dereferencing operator we derive the value of the location. Okay, let us see what is the output here. Okay, you can see the value at address A is 10. That means by using the pointer you can also derive the value from the specific location. Inside B we are storing the memory location here, but we can also access the data type using this pointer. Okay, and this thing, this star is also known as the dereferencing operator. Dereferencing. Okay, and this one, this ampersand is used for address. Okay, I am just commenting this out here. Okay, and this one is called as address. Address of. Okay, so let me summarize this up. We have learnt about pointer here. So what is a pointer? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable as its value. Means it is a data type where it stores the memory address of any of other specific variable. Here we have taken A as a variable 10 and we have pointed the address of A to B. So for declaring a variable as pointer variable, you should just write a star sign and it will be declared as a pointer variable. Then you should give the address sign of whichever variable you want to store here. Okay, and we have printed here the address of B. You can print either by the pointer variable or by using the address of operator, that is ampersand operator. And if you want to derive the value stored in that location using pointer, then you should use the dereferencing operator, which is the star operator before your pointer variable. Then you are going to get the stored value inside that memory location. So this is the basic thing about pointer. So if you have any confusion, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you still now didn't access my playlist, you can just access my playlist here. I am discussing more about C++ fundamental things, and I will be discussing more from A to Z of C++ in this playlist. So make sure you are accessing my playlist and seeing the video in a sorted manner so that you don't get confused in the video. So thank you for watching.